Oppo just announced the launch date for the Watch X2, and guess what? OnePlus didn't want to be left out. They've gone ahead and announced the launch date for the OnePlus Watch 3, dropping it a couple of days earlier on February 18th. It's like they're saying, hey, look at us first. Now, the Watch 3 is coming in two flavors, Emerald Titanium and Obsidian Titanium. Fancy names, right? Both versions will have 22mm quick-release rubber straps, which basically means you can swap them out super easily without wrestling with tiny tools. Design-wise, it's got that premium vibe, titanium bezel, stainless steel case, sapphire crystal face, and even a functional digital crown. Yep, an actual crown you can twist and click, not just for show. But here's where it gets interesting, the battery. OnePlus decided bigger is better, bumping it up to 631 mAh from the 500 in the Watch 2, meaning you'll get up to 5 days of battery life in smart mode, and up to 16 days in power saver mode. 16 days. That's like charging it twice a month if you're feeling minimalistic. Under the hood, it's rocking the same dual processor plus dual OS setup as before. You've got the Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 doing the heavy lifting, and a new BES 2800 coprocessor to handle the lighter stuff. Plus, there's an optimized antenna for better power efficiency, which sounds fancy but basically means your battery won't drain as fast when it's hunting for a signal. It's set to launch in Canada, Europe, and North America. No word on the price yet, but since the Watch 2 launched at $299, it'll probably be in that ballpark. So yeah, February 18th. If you're into smartwatches, or just like shiny new gadgets, this might be one to keep an eye on. Well, that is all for this video. Peace.